here from Walkingtwobytwo, and in today's episode we have a guest with us, and of course her name is Michelle. Hi Michelle. Michelle is a very long and dear friend of mine who is very much into healthy eating, and she's also done a lot of trails with me. She's been out on the Bibbulmun track quite a few times. We've also gone over and done the 6-foot track in New South Wales, and we also did a really good walk in Scotland, didn't we?
We sure did. Yeah, that was fun.
So today we're going to be looking at doing some snacks and some different alternatives that you can take out on the trail. So what are we going to do today, Michelle?
Well, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare hummus and how you can actually change it up to incorporate different flavours with your hummus, and again how easy it is to dehydrate and then bring it out with you on the track and have some intense flavours.
So if you're enjoying the series so far, that's great. Give us a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and remember to share it with the rest of the hiking community.
Going to be making a hummus. Hummus is a very easy dish to make. You can buy it from the store. However, it lacks a certain type of zest and flavour from the store. You can add some really quite vibrant flavours to zing it up while you're on the track. So the basic components of a hummus are obviously your chickpeas. Now chickpeas, you can either just purchase them from the store in your tin, or you can actually pre-soak your own overnight. Again, really dependent on how time poor you are. If you do buy the tin chickpeas, just remember to give them a good rinse under the tap before we actually use them. So we've got our chickpeas, and the second main ingredient is our tahini. Now tahini is just ground up sesame seeds, so really good for the track, and sesame seeds do contain a lot of calcium, which is very good for our bones. Also we have our component of our citrus, so whether you use your lime or your lemon, it really depends on what you've got. And then we've got our garlic as well. So our flavour enhancers, our garlic, our salt, and I'm making a little bit of a variation today. I've got some harissa spice, so we're spicing up with a bit of chilli and Moroccan spices. Right, so let's put this together. So first of all, we need to chop our garlic. Again, you have the option of just chopping that with a knife, or if you do have a machine, the Thermomix will actually chop this quite easy. So now we're just adding the ingredients in. We've got 1 tin of chickpeas that have been rinsed. Okay, we have our 2 tablespoons of tahini. Let me just pop straight in. We've got our citrus. Okay, we need about 40 mils or grams of citrus. Okay, so we've got that in. We're going to now add some salt, so just a pinch of salt. pop that in, and then you can put your flavour base in there as well. So we've got our harissa, so I'll just put depending on how spicy you want it, there's just a bit of a teaspoon in there as well. Why not? Jazz it up, a little bit of parsley. Perfect. Okay, and let's mix that together. Add a bit of oil, that will just give it a bit of a smoother consistency, and off we go. Okay, so at this point I give it a bit of a taste test because we want to get the flavour balance right. And let's go, let's see.
Can I try?
Absolutely. Da, da, da.
Yum. Oh God, that is really, really, really good.
How nice is that?
I really love those citrus flavours.
Yes, it's lovely.
That's really good.
I would personally pack a little bit more chilli in there, but of course Michelle is not the hugest fan of chilli,
No,
so
I'm
I think
not.
that's a good balance.
Very good.
Awesome. Let's serve it up.
Yum.
The next part of the process, once we've actually made our hummus, is we're going to pop it on our dehydrating tray. Now, we would recommend you use a silicone tray, but if you don't have a silicone tray on your dehydrator, then just using a bit of baking paper would be sufficient. And you don't want it too runny either, so I think this is a really good balance. Okay, so now you can pop that in your dehydrator. We'd recommend dehydrating between about 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, or that's roughly about 115 degrees Fahrenheit.